Dear students of class 9th, today let me make a precise summary of the poem of your textbook, The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. The Road Not Taken. The road not taken. The road not taken. The road not taken by Robert Frost. Robert Frost. As far as this poem is concerned, it starts with these lines. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Dear students, actually this poem is a well-known poem by Robert Frost and is about making choices and the choices that shape us, that shape our future. And the poet is entitled as The Road Not Taken. The Road Not Taken. In this poem, the road not taken, the road itself, the road itself, the road itself symbolizes the journey of life, symbolizes the journey of life. रोड इज द सिंबॉलिक रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ जर्नी ऑफ लाइफ. जो जिंदगी का सफर है, इट इज कंपेयर्ड टू अ रोड, and the image of a road forking off into two paths. Next point we are going to discuss is that the road forking or we can say being divided, forking off into two paths, symbolizes a choice, symbolizes a choice, or a decision. That we encounter with in the matter of daily routine. Because in life, in the matter of daily routine, we have to make a decision whether to do this thing or that thing. And in this poem, the poet describes the forest as yellow wood. Forest is described as yellow wood. Forest is described as yellow wood. Because yellow color is considered as a middle color, something in between and unsure of itself. The poet also mentions in this poem the color black in the line, "In leaves no step had trodden black." And this black color is used to emphasize that both roads appeared untouched to the poet. That means both roads have not been tarnished by the foot of any erstwhile traveler, and the poet is the first one to encounter this dilemma. So, when the poet reaches these two roads, simply we can say he is in a state of confusion, chaos and confusion rather, or we can say he's encountered with a dilemma. This poem is really portraying at our disposal the importance of making choices in the journey of life. Importance, simply we can say importance of making choices or decisions importance of making choices in the journey of life. Because there is no iota of doubt in the matter of reality that in the journey of life we are encountered with, in the journey of life we are encountered with pluralities of options. We are encountered with pluralities of options. Pluralities of multiverse options. And the right option or the right decision or the right choice, it always makes and shapes our future. The right option choice or decision, choice or decision makes and shapes one's future. Whereas the wrong decision, wrong decision choice or option always prove disastrous, always proves disastrous. And mars and deteriorates the future of a person. In a nutshell, I would like to conclude that the road in the poem is a metaphor of life, while the folk on the road metaphorically represents the choices we make to determine the course of our lives. Similarly, yellow woods are the metaphor of making decisions during the hard times. The poet makes use of mellifluous poetic techniques in this poem, and simile is used in this poem in the second stanza, such as just as fear. It shows how the poet has linked the road less taken to the easy way through life. Thus simply we can say the poem Road Not Taken, it portrays the message of making choices, and right choice always makes a man, whereas the wrong choice always mars a man. Thanks.